Tama? Sino mahilig kumanta dito? Kahit sa karaoke, sa banda. Diba? For sure, may mga inner Bruno Mars kayo dyan. Beyonce, ganyan. Diba? Okay, so to move forward, let's take a moment to learn about what sets the Applied Music platform apart. So again, let's give a round of applause to Mr. Reggie Tan.
So, kilala niyo kung sino yung student dyan, saka teacher?
Hindi.
Actually, yung mga teachers namin, mga babatang lahat. No, with an average age of, I think, 25.
Wow.
Actually, yung matanda na yun. Yung tumugtog yung matanda na yun.
Siya po yung pinaka...
Sana mo yung pinag-ibig. May mas matanda naman dyan. Pero yun, isa sa pinakamatanda na yan. Now, what sets us apart? One, I don't say this just to boast, but all of our teachers are actually music graduates. Either music graduate or about to graduate. So let's see, Teacher Steven kanina, he just had his graduation recital last week. So, pagka-graduate ka na, no? May ultimatum yung kailangan matapos sila within a couple of years. But they're at that level where their performance is very, very good. So, hindi kayo mapapahiya if you choose to enroll your kids with us. Now, but not only that, all our teachers are music graduates and we have very, very competitive pricing. This is a sample of our pricing. So either you have 10 30-minute sessions for 6 years old and below at 4,800, 10 1-hour sessions at 9,500, 20 1-hour sessions at 18,500, 40 1-hour sessions at 36,000 pesos. You'd be surprised how many people actually enroll with the 40 session para tapos na hindi na sila mag-isip ng isang buong taon. No? Then we offer trial classes at 450 pesos, 30 minutes. Now, what also sets up this place apart is we actually is not just a school, but we are a performance venue. So the kids, well, for one, they can choose not to have their lessons in the classroom. Later, we'll have a tour. You'll see all the classroom. Sabi nga na, very deceptive. Malalim pa po yan. Maraming classroom pa po dyan sa loob. But they sometimes have their lessons here on stage. The reason being because there are times you don't learn things in the classroom. You learn it on stage. Diba? Yan sila. Oo nga, dumami mga tao, no? Kala natin konti lang. So later you'll get to check the classrooms, but we don't do all the learning in the classroom. Sometimes it happens on stage. Why? Because we're preparing them for the big stage. Diba? And I was explaining kanina, if you have a very good basketball player na kid, hindi mo na pwedeng isabak agad sa NBA. Diba? Minsan, grade school varsity, high school varsity, then sasabak muna sa barangay league, or minsan yung village league natin, diba? Then, sana, pumasok siya PBA, or collegiate league, then pumasok siya ng PBA, then sana, pumasok siya sa Gilas, then sana ma-discover siya ng NBA. There are steps, diba? It is wishful thinking na 10 years old, magaling siya, hopefully by 16, NBA na siya. Diba? Doesn't work. So we want to be a small venue, a small stage for them to learn to grow. So we are not just a performance venue for the kids, but we actually hold concerts. So like for example, this Saturday, we have a professional guitar player doing this concert here on November 30, 2024 at 7 p.m. here at the Kaiserberg Recital Hall. This will be a concert / book launching by Sir Monching Carpio. And of course, with that, our kids will also be playing with him here sa concert na to. Just last month, we had a piano duet by 2 college professors. And for the past few months, there have been so many concerts. If you look at that we call it the autograph board. Each one of those signature belongs to a professional musician. So maraming tumugtog na po dito doing their concerts. So the kids are also exposed. When they come here, this is not just a learning venue, but it's also a performance venue for them. This is what sets us apart from the other studios or the other music schools. Okay? Julie?
Thank you, sir.